May 23 to November 24 students, now is the time to start preparing yourselves to ensure that you score 60 plus at least in CA final audit subject and might as well also top the audit paper. Yes. So with an experience of nearly a decade now and with an experience of teaching more than 50,000 students, repeatedly in every attempt after creating toppers and students with exemption, creating success stories of students who have failed earlier and then cleared later on, I, CA Pragnesh Kanabar, am launching further 2 batches for CA Final Audit regular course. These are my Super 100 premium batches where I come live and teach students. Students get recorded backup of the videos. Students also get test series and a longer validity to view the videos and also a good number of views to view the videos. With such kind of personal touch and all the facilities, I am coming up with these 2 batches now and the announcement for this May 23 to November 24 cycle. Although there will be many batches in May 23 to November 24 cycle, but this announcement is for the next couple of batches. Alright. So we have batch 18, that is Super 100 CA Final Audit regular course Hinglish batch, alright, where jahan pe Hindi with English mixed language I am going to teach. Wait, but we also have an option of batch 19, which is 100% English batch, alright, so where I am going to teach completely in English language. So that is why I am recording this video in simple English so that everyone can understand about these batches. Okay, so both the batches are at different timelines. First, let me explain about batch 18. So batch 18 will be live Zoom session with recorded backup of the full syllabus. Start date is 5th November, end date is 30th December. So I will for sure allow you to enjoy your New Year's party. Duration will be 140 to 147 hours. Hard copy books, colored book content, question bank, including MCQs. And we also have an in-app MCQ quiz facility where you can solve the MCQs in our app like a quiz, and where we can give you amended MCQs every attempt also. Lecture days will be 50 days, correct? So I've taken a period of around 55-56 days, but lecture days will be 50 days. 46 days we have 2 hours 40-minute session, and Sundays, some Sundays I'm going to consume where I'll take 5.5 hours session. 4 or 5 break days have been planned just to ensure that students stay fresh. Whatever lecture happens in the morning, all right, these are the time slots. By afternoon or maximum by evening, the recorded version of that lecture will be available, which you can see on the mobile app as well as on the laptop. You just need internet to see the lectures on the laptop. On mobile app, we do give an offline view, so don't worry about it. Okay, test. So after every 4 or 5 lectures, I'm going to upload a test paper with suggested answer solutions, which either you can self-evaluate or you can send it across to me and I will evaluate for you. So unit test and prelim test are included. All right. Yes. To maintain the quality of the batch, I do not take more than 100 admissions. No, for recorded lectures, n number of admissions keep happening. That is okay. But in a particular batch, when I'm going live, I do not take more than 100 admissions. All right. Recorded videos, full syllabus recorded backup will be given to you. All right, and validity will remain till November 24. 2 views per video will be given to you. So 2 times the duration that you can see. It can be streamed on mobile app, laptop, but for laptop you need internet. That's it. And 1 to 4 Mbps speed is fine in all the states and across all cities. These recorded lectures are working very fine even by using the internet. The biggest doubt that the students may have is from November 23 attempt, we are expecting some changes in the CA final syllabus. Now you cannot just keep on waiting for the changes, correct? I have a fair bit of idea what kind of changes will be there. But जो भी changes होंगे, whatever are the changes after the batch completion, because till the batch completion I will be teaching all the amendments. So after the batch completion, whatever changes are there, you will get the notes and videos and updates for that. I have been doing for all my attempts and I'll do it for you also. Don't worry about it, correct? So officially, properly, you will get amendment support till November 24. Lifetime doubt solving support is always there with you once you are my student till you clear the exams. But we will ensure that you don't take a lifetime to clear the exams and you clear it in your very first attempt of CA final exams. Okay. For English batch, beta, everything remains the same. Everything remains same. All right. Start date is 3rd Jan 2023 and end date is 28th Feb 2023. So the timeline is changing. Otherwise, all the facilities will remain the same even for English batch. But please note, South India students especially, please note, in 1 year, I have just one English batch. So in 2022, we did only one English batch. All right. And in 2023 also, there's going to be only one English batch. Okay. And then the next English batch will come in 2024. So effectively, for May 23 and November 23 students, this becomes the last English batch for them. All right. So please ensure that if you're comfortable only in English, then you enroll for these lectures, these batch very, very quickly. And you have some pre-booking discount, obviously. All right, if you pre-book now, till 2nd October 2022, or first 25 students, whichever is earlier. So I think first 25 will hit very fast. All right, you can pre-book at rupees 9,500, all inclusive. Okay, from 26th student onwards, or from 3rd October 2022 onwards, correct, the fees will be 10,750. Okay, all inclusive. Yes, for international shipments, the cost is separately recovered. Otherwise, for all the Indian shipments, this is all inclusive, no extra GST, no extra payment gateway charges, no hidden charges, no shipment charges for Indian shipments. Relax, this fees is all inclusive. All right. So you get a personal mentoring from my side, you get personal touch from my side, you get live lectures from my side, you get recorded lectures, you get test series, you get the best book, the best content, question bank. And if at all you still have doubts, then you can see the reviews from the students. I have given various attempt care reviews on my YouTube channel, but couple of links I have put over here. All right, one of them is audit topper in his particular attempt. So you can see the feedback if at all you haven't heard about me, or if there are some doubts in your mind. The book completely covers ICI syllabus. In fact, standards auditing especially, we do it from the auditing pronouncements. So you are not supposed to worry. From root to fruit, everything is taken care of. All right, and even till last day, what kind of summary videos you will see, what kind of summary notes you will have. All right, everything is taken care of. For the students who have already enrolled with us, you can ask them. I try my level best to be available for the students, and this is not just for booking the admissions. Even for the earlier attempt students whose validity has expired, but they haven't given the attempts, or they haven't cleared, few of them not cleared, I am still available for them, and I continue to be available for everyone. All right. So all the best. I'm eagerly waiting to see you in these batches. Pre-book fast. Thank you.